There was a little prince living on a planet. When he was depressed, he used to watch the sunset. Once he went to Earth, and there he met a pilot who taught him this and that, and advised him not to grow up. There was a little prince living on a planet.